Perro Aguayo Jr. incident. The lights were bright. The crowd was loud. Everything was supposed to be entertainment. Perro Aguayo Jr. hit the ropes and his body went still. But no one stopped. The referee hesitated. The match continued. Music played while life quietly slipped away. What makes it terrifying isn't the moment he died. It's that death blended perfectly into the show. A man was lost in front of thousands, hidden by cheers, cameras, and the belief that it was all part of the act. By the time the silence was noticed, it was already too late.